Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2017 on a 17-plate Ford Grand C-Max, the 1.5 turbo diesel Zetec, 5 doors, finished in magnetic grey metallic with a 6-speed manual gearbox, and it has covered just 15,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this super low mileage 7-seater, the Ford Grand C-Max. A standard C-Max with a couple of sliding doors and a couple more seats. March 2017 registered, just less than 16,000 miles on the clock, so super low mileage example. 2 former keepers, really good service history, 6 stamps in the book, so properly maintained throughout its life despite such a low mileage. It's been serviced every year. We've got these really nice 16-inch alloy wheels that are in great condition. Bridgestone tyres all round. .5 turbo diesel with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It goes really nicely, but because it does have the 6-speed box, means despite being a fairly big car with those 7 seats, it's cheap to run. 60 miles to the gallon according to Ford on a combined run. Look at that in the magnetic grey. Lovely looking car. So it's really nice colour, this Ford grey. And the road tax is just £35 a year. So for a big family car to just be 35 quid a year to tax, happy days. We've got these sliding rear doors which we'll come to shortly. Zetec specification. So all the bits and bobs that you'd need really for a family car. Interior is lovely. You do find a lot of these MPVs have been bashed around a lot, but this one is in really, really good shape. All the plastics, interior finishes, all in good condition, as are the door cards. So you get remote central locking. This comes supplied with 2 keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. You've got your light controls there. It does have its carpet mats, which sit under our paper ones. Steering wheel's in good shape. You've got controls for your Bluetooth, voice recognition, radio. You've got your trip computer over the other side there. Normal manual handbrake, couple of cup holders, 12-volt socket, 6-speed gearbox. And then as we make our way up, air conditioning of course. It's got start-stop facility which you can switch off. Heated front screen. And as we make our way further up, you've got radio, CD. It all comes up on the display, which you can't see there, but it has got DAB digital radio. It's got your Bluetooth. It's also got rear parking sensors, and the little park pilot comes up on the screen. In the glove box, you've got all your handbooks. You do benefit from having that slightly raised seating position, which is nice. Big windows, so the visibility is very good. And then as we come into the back, you've got your first row of seats here. Nice to have the sliding doors, makes access a lot more straightforward. You can do all sorts with these seats, which I'm not going to try and attempt one-handed now. I'll just pull this down and flick this forward. Well, I did that one-handed, so that wasn't bad. You've got the 2 rear seats behind, which I think have only had very limited use. I won't pull it up completely, but very straight and tidy, the 2 rear seats. Obviously the parcel shelf comes out if you do need to use them. Easy setup. Just nice to have that bit more practicality. Now obviously if you're using it day to day and you're not using all the seats, then the boot space allows for that and is excellent. You've got your parking sensors across the back, and then you've got this huge load space. Turn it into a proper little van if you need to. And really good condition, as you can see. All the plastics are good. You have got a 12-volt socket in the back. Nice and tidy. So there we have it, a really economical family MPV, 2017 on a 17 Ford Grand C-Max Zetec 1.5 diesel with a 6-speed gearbox. 15,900 miles, with excellent service history and £35 a year to tax. Finance is available from £278 a month, and that's based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys, along with our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Hard to find these nice 7-seaters, especially low mileage and well cared for, so I'm sure this will be a popular car. Thanks for watching.